I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade muffins. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare half a cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of melted butter or vegetable oil. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's talk about mixing. The key to tender muffins is the 2-bowl method. In your first bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In the second bowl, combine the milk, egg, and melted butter. Then pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spatula until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing develops gluten, making your muffins dense. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a 12-cup muffin tin by lining it with paper liners or greasing it thoroughly. Carefully spoon the batter into each cup, filling them about 2/3 full. Bake for approximately 18 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're done when the tops are golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool slightly before enjoying. Want to get creative? You can easily customize your muffins. Try adding 1 cup of fresh blueberries, chocolate chips, or chopped nuts to the batter. A simple streusel topping of flour, sugar, and butter also adds a delightful crunch. For storage, once your muffins are completely cool, place them in an airtight container. They will stay fresh at room temperature for about 3 days, or you can freeze them for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.